If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing of Amazon's Echo Dot 5th generation. The Echo Dot 5th generation has big vibrant sound and it comes in 3 colors: charcoal, deep sea blue and glacier white. This relative small-sized speaker has very good sound. You can enjoy an improved audio experience compared to any previous Echo Dot, with Alexa for clearer vocals, deeper bass and vibrant sound in any room. You can use it to play music, audiobooks and podcasts from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Deezer and more, or via Bluetooth throughout your home. You can also use it to ask Alexa for the weather forecast, to set hands-free timers, get answers to your questions and even tell jokes. Need a few extra minutes in the morning? Just tap your Echo Dot to snooze your alarm. You can also control compatible smart home devices with your voice and routines triggered by indoor temperature sensors. Create routines to automatically start a smart fan if the inside temperature goes above your comfort zone. You can also use it to create a home cinema system with Fire TV. Furthermore, you can turn your Echo device into a Wi-Fi extender in minutes with compatible Echo and Eero devices. The Echo Dot 5th generation has temperature sensor to expand its capacities by using it as a thermostat. It is very easy to connect and the sound is amazing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.